Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are going to be making oven baked barbecue chicken. This chicken, guys, is juicy, crunchy, with a sticky caramelized barbecue sauce. It's finger licking good. We're gonna cook this chicken in 2 stages. First, we're gonna bake it, then broil it. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start by making the seasoning. In a small bowl, combine Cajun seasoning. We are also adding in onion powder, paprika. We are also adding Lori seasoned salt. We're gonna also add in garlic powder, thyme leaves. We are also adding in rosemary, dried rosemary, guys, and white pepper. Then we're gonna give it a good mix. Here I have about 2 pounds of chicken drumsticks and chicken thighs. We're gonna go ahead and season the chicken with the seasoning mix we just made. Season it really well on both sides. Grease the baking dish, then arrange the chicken skin side down in a single layer. Then we're gonna roast this for 30 to 35 minutes. I just pulled out the chicken from the oven. It's cooked thoroughly but kept moist. Next, we're gonna baste the chicken with the barbecue sauce, then broil for 4 minutes on high heat. Some people prefer to reduce the barbecue sauce by simmering on the stove before basting the chicken. But with my recipe, straight from the barbecue sauce bottle to the chicken. If you like this video so far, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Also, leave a comment down below, guys. I would like to know how you make your barbecue chicken. I want to learn from you too, guys. It's been 4 minutes. Now we pulled out our chicken and this is how it looks, guys. It's so delicious, guys. The chicken is juicy and crispy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Serve with roasted potatoes or vegetables. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey, my honeys. Remember, listen to your heart, be generous and thoughtful, be thankful and never ever give up.